In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature to Pandadoc. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to confidently place and complete a signature on any document you're working with, whether it's a contract, a proposal, or a simple agreement. Let's start from inside Pandadoc, with your document already created or opened. First, make sure you have the document you want to sign open on your screen. This is important because you'll be placing the signature directly onto this document, exactly where it needs to appear. Take a moment to scroll through and locate the spot where the signature should go, such as at the bottom of a contract or on a designated signature page. Once you've found the right place, look for the option to add fields and select the signature field. Click and drag this signature field from the menu and drop it onto the exact area on the document where you want the signature to appear. You can adjust its position by dragging it around until it lines up neatly with any signature line or label. This helps keep your document clean and professional. After you've placed the signature field, double-click on the field you just dropped onto the document. This will open up the signing options for you. Here, Pandadoc gives you 3 main ways to create your signature, so choose the one that works best for you. You can draw your signature using your mouse or trackpad, which is helpful if you want it to look more like a handwritten signature. You can type your name and choose a styled font if you prefer something quick and clean. Or if you already have a signature image saved, you can upload that file so your familiar signature appears on the document. Take a second to make sure it looks the way you want. When you're happy with how your signature looks, click Accept and Sign. This confirms your choice and applies your signature to the document in that signature field you placed earlier. At this point, your signature is now part of the document. To wrap things up and finalize everything, go to the top of the screen and click Review and Send. This step lets you quickly check that the document looks correct, that your signature is in the right place, and that everything is ready to go before it's sent out. Once you're satisfied, follow the prompts to send or complete the document as needed.